to increase their online engagement. One of the tools that I talk about in there is called Odesk. And Odesk is a tool where you can hire consultants all over the world that do or contractors all over the world to do all kinds of little jobs. And Fiverr I mentioned as well for something similar. Fiverr is a cheaper version. Odesk is a version for if you want maybe higher grade work a little bit. But if you're trying to take these sayings that you have or just this information you have in your head, because as a realtor, you're the repository of so much information. You cannot be replaced by a computer because you give advice that that computer cannot have. You've seen different scenarios play out. You can hold hands in a way that a program cannot. With that having been said, all you can do is just sit there and write down or type out maybe one piece of advice you want to give a day. Go on Odesk or Fiverr and hire someone to create little graphics for you, really inexpensive, using those tools. Now, are there apps that you could do this yourself? Most certainly. But here's what I've learned. The people that would use the apps probably are already aware of them. They've already done a search. They're already doing it. But the people that are like, I don't have time for that. I don't want to learn it. Well, then here's a resource for you. You can outsource that to someone else that can make it look really polished.